How to send an encrypted email in Gmail using confidential mode. This tutorial shows you how to add extra protection so your message can't be forwarded, copied, or downloaded. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. From there, tap the plus icon to start composing a new email. After that, tap the three dots at the top right. At this point, tap Confidential Mode. Following this, tap the toggle to turn it on. From here, set an expiration date for the email, since by default it's set to 1 week, though you can adjust it depending on how long you want it accessible. At this stage, choose whether you want to set a passcode as well. Following this, the default is standard, meaning no extra passcode is required beyond the recipient's Google account. From here, if you'd rather add another layer of security, select SMS passcode instead, which sends a text code the recipient needs to enter before opening the email. At this stage, once you're happy with the settings, tap Save at the top right. Once saved, go ahead and write your email as usual, then send it like normal. Because of confidential mode, the recipient won't be able to forward, copy, download, or print the email, giving you more control over where that information ends up. That's how you send an encrypted email in Gmail using confidential mode. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!